Why do 80% of moms never reach their financial dreams? Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Let me tell you a true story about Michelle, who broke that cycle in just 6 months. Back in 2022, Michelle was stressed and overwhelmed. As a mother of 6, she felt like she was failing. She didn't have the time or money to create cherished memories with her kids. She was working hard, but had nothing to show for it. She needed a way to make an income from home. Then she discovered a step-by-step blueprint for making daily pay. This allowed her to make 6 figures in 6 months, working only 2 hours a day. More time with her family, more money to travel, and create lifelong memories. Today, Michelle has a thriving 7-figure business that generates daily pay on autopilot as she and her family travel all over. Are you looking for a way to generate an income that won't take time away from your children? Check out our 6-figure blueprint. It can provide you with more income, more time, and more memories. Comment yes to learn more. Don't wait, mama. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.